How to fix Lyft Driver app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check if app is up to date or not. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you'll see the search box. Either you type in the app name Lyft Driver and then search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Now from here, find the app Lyft Driver. After you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If these solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of Delete app. With that, you will get the pop-up. Click on Delete for the confirmation. Once you delete the app, close this. Launch your Play Store or App Store. Search for the app Lyft Driver and then download it. By following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Lyft Driver app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.